Guys, it's my last 3 days. So what's up guys, it's my last 3 days sa akong work, so I have to treasure it na I'm going home back to Bohol.
It's 4 a.m. I can't turn my head off, wishing these memories will fade and never do.
So what's up guys, I'm back. Signing off na ta sa Peninsula. So thank you for watching my vlog. Last day na ako masakay karon sa train.
Just need time. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4. Don't need you here anymore. Get out of my eyes. 'Cause I might snap. I'm writing a song. Said this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out. So I'm snapping 1, 2. Where are you? You're still in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4. Don't need you here anymore. Get out of my eyes. 'Cause I might snap. 'Cause I might snap. And if one more person says you should get over it, oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap, snap, snap. Oh, I might stop talking to people before I snap. Snapping 1, 2. Where are you? Where are you? You're still in my eyes. Still in my eyes. Snapping 3, 4. Don't need you here anymore. Need you here anymore. 'Cause you might stay. 'Cause I might stay. Get out of my head. 'Cause I might snap. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I might snap.
Tingnan namin sa Panglao Airport guys at 8 a.m. Kaya na-delay siya o wala kami minutes dito sa Maynila. So guys, I'm back to Bohol na guys. Let's go back to vlog. So,
Good morning, AirAsia Flight Z2351 bound for Manila. Is now ready for boarding to gate number 11. AirAsia Flight Z2351 bound for Manila, requesting guests seated at Zone 2. Zone 2 for approximately the 31.
say hi. Hi sa vlog. So what's up guys, from Manila to airport. So karon guys, gabi naman nanihapon may karon sa Stick and Bow diri sa Panglao Island. So daghan yung tao karon. Nice po nilang food dili. Nice po nilang ambience. Recommended siya. So,
Very accommodating.
kuhaan sila kayo. Super accommodated kayo sila. Kami pa yung nauna din. Wala ko ka-video ganina kay. Walay pakihong kauban.